go. Oi! The bracken. You at? I mean, I don't. There you are. I see you too. I know, right? Did you love how it changes the camera view as well? The bracken. Let's go this way. I mean, I don't. There you are. I see you too. Push me forward! We had two friends there! No. You pushed my character forward when I ran away from two brackens. Now 3 brackens. Every time I look, I gain 1 more. There's a loot bug behind you. It's a sticky bug. Let's go this way. It went that way. We're gonna go this way. Okay, I'm still. Yep. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, you're third person, right? Alright, watch how these guys go up the ladder.
I've got a tragic tale for you.
Okay. Run! Get up! Let's enter. Every time. Okay, watch how these guys go up the ladder.
Look, but I've got a tragic tale for you.
Didn't know about the thumper. Sorry. He's still in there. Still in there. Oh. I'm the hill. I'm chasing after them. Sugar. Okay. I tried to jump over the spring trap. It didn't work. He kind of pushed me off. Oh, the feature I was going to tell you with the game that I've added. Alright, once this is loaded, I'll show you another feature I've added. Yeah. There were a lot in there.